going on YouTube? Quick little video. You've never seen the M at night. Just got the final car wash for the year. It's about to be winter time. Too cold for the boy to be out here washing. As you can see, we out here one last time, getting straight to it. Tire shine, looking mighty good. And let me show y'all what I got new. Looking mighty normal, right? Check them out. Damn! You see that? We got the interior LEDs, baby, all around. You see them? Yeah, you see them? Yeah, like I was pretty much saying, they're just a plug-in. As you can see right there, the red light. That's pretty much them. You gotta click it, turns the light off, and turns my LEDs off. I click it again, turns my LEDs right back on. So it doesn't waste any battery, pretty good. I wouldn't complain. These are cheap and very good quality, so I recommend. But yeah, just got these bad boys installed. I installed them myself. Look pretty good, don't you think, guys? Bet you never guess what type of LEDs they are. But these are actually plug-in LEDs. So you plug them right into your little cigarette lighter. And you just wire them up. But what I pretty much did is I have them right there, as you can see, mounted to the front of the seat. And also back here. What I pretty much did is I pretty much got some like Velcro strips from Walmart and just pretty much put it on the back of there. Put one side on the LED and the other side on the chair or plastic wherever I want to stick it to, and pretty much just stuck it there. Way easier than actually getting your LEDs wired in. That was my first mistake with my first car. I got my LEDs wired in. Paid about $100. Dumb. When I bought these, I think online for probably like $20, $25. So not bad, not bad. I'll give you a closer look at them. Yeah, like I said, they come with a little controller to change them and everything. But I had these for a while. These are actually my old lights, and I lost the remote, so this is pretty much what I'm working with. But it looks pretty cool. What you guys think? But yeah, that's my hybrid at night, just in case you guys ain't see. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and you know I got the stars on. But you know, guys, till next time.